Hey guys, I just got in a 2-pack of 3-foot tall artificial cedar trees. I'm going to get it opened up, see what we're working with here, and then I'm going to get them put in the ground right over here in my flower bed. I'll show you that in a moment. We'll see the before and the after, see how well it looks. Anyway, let's get it opened up and see what we're working with. And by the way, this video is sponsored by Sylvan Verse. That's who sent these to me. Have our little stakes here. That's what we're going to job down in the ground. Not bad looking. Kind of got to fluff them out like a Christmas tree, if you will. Has a nice texture to it. The brown tree trunk looks pretty natural. It'll look real natural from the street and from a little distance. Get right up close to it. Very few artificial things like this look real when you get right up next to it, but from a distance, they all look real. And I'm sure the more you work this, the better it'll look. It does have a little plasticky smell to it, but being outside, it's not going to be that big of a deal. So you have multiple pieces. I'm going to get them all out and get these fluffed up, and then I will check back with you. So see y'all in a moment. Okay, we have the 2 bases and 2 middles and then our 2 tops. They have little spikes kind of right here on the top where you'll slide these together like so. And I'm sure the more you work it, the better it'll look. You know, fluffing it out and whatnot. And they go together really well. Little baby Christmas tree almost. It is the plastic limbs. They've got a little flex to them, as you can see. They bend down. I actually think I got that one on backwards. There we go. That might go look a little better. So, it does matter how you put the bottom and middle. It's obvious which one's the top. Looks pretty good. Then you'll take your spike, put it in there in the bottom, and then put it down in the ground. I just realized if you'll look, there's a larger area here that doesn't have the tree limbs on it versus the other one. So you know that this is the bottom. Didn't realize it till just now. And this is kind of what we're working with here. We'll put them right there by the bird bath. And just so you'll know, there's about 17 inches, 16, 17 inches wide. Let's see if it's a true 3 foot. Actually, probably counting the stake that goes down in the ground, it would be 3 foot, but right there is about 30 inches. So that extra 6 inches is probably the stake that goes down in the ground. Well, I'll tell you what, if you're in the market for some artificial 3 foot tall cedar trees, you might want to check these out. I really like them. They went together easy. Once you figured out which one was the bottom, you know, it has that longer trunk. And then that's the bottom, and the shorter trunk one is the middle, and obviously which one is the top. That wasn't the question. But anyway, I really like them. They're definitely staying right here. Who knows? They may grow. I'm just joking. But I'll get the rest of this all filled in with flowers and whatnot, closer out to the little fence there. And it'll be looking good before long. Definitely a thumbs up. I like them. Hey, if you want to check these out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can go look at them, decide if you want them, and possibly order them. So if you want to look at some more outdoor stuff like lawn and garden and stuff for your deck and whatnot, I'll put a playlist right over here. You might want to check that out. Maybe something else there that you would be interested in. Hey, I appreciate you watching. and I will see you in the next one. Bye.